My dear learner, welcome. This is Science Lesson 14 under the topic Machines and Friction. In the beginning, we described machines and listed, or we mentioned two types of machines, where we say there are two main types of machines, where we say we have complex machines and simple machines. We described simple machines and say there are 6 different types of simple machines, where we looked at levers, we looked at inclined planes. We say inclined planes are also referred to as slopes. We described wedges, screws, pulleys, and the other type of simple machines is wheel and axle. This is what I want us to summarize with today. We have the wheel and axle. Wheels and axle are simple machines just like these other types of simple machines. They simplify work. They are defined as machines composed of 2 rotating wheels together. Simple machines. These are machines. Simple machines, the wheel and axle are machines composed of 2 wheels rotating together. The wheel and axle are machines composed of 2 wheels rotating together. We have 2 wheels. One is the smaller one, and the other one is the bigger one. The small wheel is called axle. For example, I have a wheel here. This is the bigger wheel, and down, connecting from there, we have another smaller wheel, which is known as the axle. This type of wheel is commonly seen on steering wheels of vehicles. They are seen in steering wheels of vehicles. This is the wheel. Then here we have the axle. The axle is also known as the shaft. An axle is defined as a rod on which a wheel turns. And this axle is actually a rod. It is a rod on which this wheel turns. So if a driver wants to drive a vehicle, he controls the movement using this steering wheel. Other examples of wheel and axle. Examples of wheel and axle can be wing. We have windlasses. We also have steering wheels, which are here, or which is there. Steering wheels. Another example of wheel and axle are egg beaters. We have egg beaters. We have what we call door knobs. And lastly, we have bicycle pedals. Bicycle pedals. These are examples of wheels and axle. Those are examples of wheels and axle. The laces, or what we call windlasses, are used when drawing water from a well. When drawing water from a shallow well. You have seen in some places we have wells, and these wells are constructed in such a way that a hole is dug deeper and it is built using bricks or concrete. So the laces are connected where we have the handle, here, and a string or a rope is tied onto a bucket. So when this handle is turned clockwise, the water dips. The string dips, or the bucket goes deep down. When it is turned anti-clockwise, the bucket moves deep down in the water. After drawing water, the user turns it clockwise to make the water move upwards, so that the water is used in our homes. Big wheels or big vehicles have large steering wheels. So this means that the larger the wheel, the easier the turning of the vehicle. Big vehicles have large steering wheels. This means the larger the wheel, the easier the turning of the vehicle. We have uses of wheel and axle. We have uses of wheel and axle. One of them is that they are used for drawing water. Drawing water from wells. Drawing water from a deep well, which I just explained here. We also use them for drilling holes. For drilling holes in wooden materials. For drilling holes in wooden materials. These are commonly used by carpenters, where they have a certain machine called brace. A brace is something that appears. For example, we have a piece of wood, whereby if a carpenter wants to drill through this, it has a sharp edge. If the carpenter wants to make a hole through this wood, this is its handle, the carpenter holds here and turns it round to drill a hole through this wooden material. And so, we also have for fixing screws. For fixing screws, this is another use of wheels and axle. Using screwdrivers, we apply wheel and axle. And lastly, for preparing eggs. For preparing eggs for frying using an egg beater. We have a machine called egg beater, which is used for preparing eggs that are to be fried. My dear learner, we can suggest more of the uses of wheel and axle in your everyday life. And thank you for watching our lesson 14. See you in lesson 15. Thank you.